In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's black. If you have a bit more time, I discovered that you can also go into settings, tap on display section here, and scroll down to manage auto rotation thanks to this switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!